Hi students, this is Viswanath, your chemistry teacher for NEET and IIT exams. In previous class, we completed preparation of sodium borohydride and some reduction reactions of sodium borohydride. Now see the remaining reactions. Fin acyl bromide reactant formula is C6H5 C double bond O CH2Br. This name is fin acyl bromide. When this compound is treated with sodium borohydride, NaBH4 and solvent is ethyl alcohol, then we can get C6H5 CHOH CH2Br. Only keto group is reduced to secondary alcohol and bromine remains as it is. So this is the reduction reaction. The product name is 2-bromo 1-phenyl 2-bromo 1-phenyl 1-ethanol. So this is the product name. Next, another reduction reaction, chloral hydrate. Chloral hydrate reduced to 2,2,2 trichloro ethanol. See the reaction, chloral hydrate means 3 chlorine atoms attached to carbon atom. This is chloral hydrate. So chloral hydrate is treated with sodium borohydride. Here solvent is aqueous solution. It means chloral hydrate is reduced with aqueous solution of sodium borohydride. Then we can get this compound Cl3CCH2OH. This secondary alcohol is converted to CH2OH trichloroethanol. So these are the reduction reactions of sodium borohydride. Now see the mechanism. What is the mechanism involved in the reduction reaction of sodium borohydride with carbonyl compounds? By taking general formula of ketones or aldehyde, we can see the mechanism. Suppose I am taking general formula of ketones RC double bond OR. It is treated with sodium borohydride. Here the mechanism of sodium borohydride with aldehydes and ketones is same as that of mechanism of LiAlH4. Both LiAlH4 and NaBH4 can exhibit similar mechanism with carbonyl compounds. In LiAlH4, it provides hydride ion. In the same way, sodium borohydride also provides H- ion, hydride ion, to carbonyl carbon. Say this, pi bonded electrons are shifted to oxygen atom. Positive charge is developed at this carbon. Then it provides H- ion. That H- ion acts as a powerful nucleophile and attacks at carbonyl carbon. Then we can get this one, hydrogen O- plus BH3 Na. Hydride ion attacks at this carbon, then we can get this type of intermediate. Now in the next step, it combines BH3 Na. Now this species is attacked by another acetone molecule, another ketone, then we can get this species attacks on another ketone, then this boron provide another H minus ion to this carbonyl carbon, then we can get this intermediate twice BH2 Na. Now another ketone molecule, this species attacks on another ketone, then we can get this one, or H oxygen thrice BH Na. Finally, fourth ketone molecule is attacked by this species, then we can get this one. BNA. So H2O solvent provides proton, hydrolysis takes place, then we can get this one. So in this way, 1BH4 sodium borohydride molecule can reduce 4 molecules of aldehydes or ketones. 4 molecules of carbonyl compound is reduced by 1 molecule of sodium borohydride. First one molecule, this is first molecule, then sodium borohydride provides H minus ion to this carbon, we can get this. Second molecule, for this also it provides H minus ion, we can get this one. Next third one, next fourth one, finally hydrolysis, we can get alcohol. Okay students, this is a simple mechanism of reduction of reduction of carbonyl compounds with sodium borohydride. In place of ketone, if we take aldehyde, similar type of mechanism we can observe. Thank you students.